Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Collins here with Heart of Blaze Collectibles, doing the product showcase for the products that we just got that are featured on eBay currently. Starting off with the Chainsaw Man booster boxes. I believe these packs come with about 18 packs a box, maybe a little bit more. Come on. Power, Makima, Aki, Denji, all of the main characters on there from Season 1. So we have one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs per box. Off by a little bit. I think I was getting them confused with another one of the products, but I did want to open this up and show you some of the cards and features that are in these packs. These packs are really cool. A lot of the art featured in these is really sick. All right, we got CP with the whole gang. Himino, and a power SSR to start it off. Be a good idea of what you can expect to see rarity-wise for each pack as well. Got Denji and Makima. Another good Makima UR and another Power SSR. So we got two separate Power SSRs. Got Aki, Power, and Denji. Is it the same Makima? Nope, that is a different Makima UR. And a different power SSRs. That's 3 separate power SSRs. The thickness on the cards is a little bit different by card and by rarity. Power, Denji, and Aki in the back. Another Makima UR and the Makima SSR. So it looks like each pack does feature an SSR or higher. CP of the group. Makima UR. I said Aki this whole time, but raise that SSR. Didn't get a 4th or 5th Makima or Power SSR, so definitely getting a little bit of variety now. Ooh, SP of Denji and Power and Pochita. Taka. You can see here on the sides that the thickness of the cards does vary by the rarity. Very nice SSP. Different Makima UR. And another Himino SSR. I do like these character portraits of all of them together. Makima. Power. Power and her cat. Denji and Pochita, Makima, and Makima. So 5 cards per pack. total of 50 cards per box. CP, Makima, and Himeno. Let's take a look at the spread. Looks like every pack had a CP. URs, SP, I believe we should see a total of 10 CPs, and we had got the one SP. So one SP, good handful of URs, 10 SSRs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there was one more SSP that went along with the SP. Looks like it takes the place of the CP, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay. So these products are going to be listed on our eBay. It will be listed down in the link below. If you do want to check out any of the listings we have, we are going to have a couple of other products. There's going to be some Demon Slayer, some Senpai Goddess Haven, and quite a bit of variety in the Demon Slayer pack. So appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you in the next one.